Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
If you want to create AI cartoon like this, then watch full video.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechChimp. As you already have seen AI cartoon character video in the starting of this video, today I will teach you how to create these AI cartoon character videos in just minutes. So let's start. Open Google Chrome and search Lexica. Click on first website, which is Lexica.art. On this website, you can search and select any cartoon character that you want into your video. You can see there are lots of cartoon characters in this list which you can use in video. This cartoon character is looking good. I am going to use this character in my video. You can change its design also. Click download button. So the photo has been downloaded. Now go to didai.com. Scroll down and click on this Create Free AI Videos button. Click on Guest button. Now select Login Sign Up option. You can sign up or log in through Gmail. I am going to log in through my Gmail account. So successfully I have logged in. Click on Create Video button from left sidebar. Here you can see we have multiple characters to create video. But I am going to upload my own character. Click on Add button and select image that we downloaded earlier. It will take some time to upload cartoon characters, so have patience. So finally the image has been uploaded. Here we have option to upload own voice too, but I am going to write script here. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In language tab, you can select language according to your country. In voices, select voice like female voice or male voice. I am selecting this guy voice from the list. In styles tab, I am selecting excited expression. Now click on generate video button. It will pop up a screen. Again click generate button. So it successfully generated a video. Click on play button to see final result.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
As you can see, our video is ready with voiceover. You can download also from here. Let's create one more video with already given presenters. I am selecting this presenter and writing script for voiceover. If you want to create AI cartoon like this, then watch full video. Now select voice from the list. Let's listen this voice by clicking here.
If you want to create AI cartoon like this, then watch full video.
The voice is sounding good, so let's generate video. Again, click generate button. So the video has been generated. Let's see the final results.
If you want to create AI cartoon like this, then watch full video.
The video is looking good with the voiceover. So guys, you can create more videos with female presenters also. Just select the presenter, write down a script for voiceover, select the language from the list, then select voice like female or male.
Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for latest updates.
Click generate video button.
Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for latest updates.
And after video generate, you can download your video. So guys, I hope this video will help you to create AI cartoon video like this. If you like this video, click like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for latest updates. Thank you.